Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Daniel's Hungry. I'm Daniel and today we're going to be making some homemade chamoy. Okay, this recipe is super simple, easy to do, quick, on your Instantpot 860 blender. Alright guys, for today's ingredients, we're going to be using 2.5 cups of water, 1 cup of pitted prunes, 1 cup of dried apricots, 1 cup of hibiscus flower. This is what it looks like in a bag. This is in these bags. Okay, we're also going to be using half a cup of sugar, half a cup of tajin, and a 1/4 cup of salt. Oh, not a 1/4 cup, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Dang, that would have been a lot of salt. And a 1/4 cup of, again, oh my gosh, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, okay, black pepper. So this is super simple, easy to make. We're gonna go ahead and put all our stuff in here in the Instantpot 860 blender. Okay, I always like to start off with the liquids. That way, like, none of the stuff gets all bleh, whatever bleh means, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and add our pitted prunes, our dried apricot, our hibiscus leaves, flour, our sugar, our tajin, and our salt and pepper. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and close this up. We're going to be using the soup 1 feature, okay? So we're going to come over here, press soup. Right there's on soup 2, we're going to push it again, soup 1, and let it cook and let it do its thing. Alright guys, it's done on the soup setting, so we're going to go ahead and come over here, press cancel, and we're going to put medium blend, okay? So it's going to blend it all together. Alright guys, it's done on the medium blend setting. So we're going to go ahead and take it out. And we're going to cook it an extra 3 minutes on the stove, okay? And this will give it like a different flavor. We'll get rid of some of the tartness of it. Bitterness. Right? Bitterness. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Go ahead and just get the stuff out with the little spatula. So we're going to go ahead and start cooking this, and we're going to leave it for 3 minutes. Cook it for 3 minutes, okay? And just kind of sift through it. And you're going to want to keep stirring, guys. That way this stuff doesn't stick. You're going to use a non-stick pan. Because if you use a stainless steel one, you're going to lose a lot of this yummy chamoy. Okay, guys? Alright, guys. 3 minutes are up. So now all we need to do is add 1 lime, guys. Some lime juice. Okay? Then we're going to stir that in. Alright guys, now we stir it in. And now this will give it a different flavor. Alright guys, so this thing is done. We're going to go ahead and give it a try. It's hot, okay? Like I always try this thing like after it's piping hot and I always get burned, so I like to blow the spoon. That is a really, really good flavor. It almost tastes kind of like tamarindo, like really, really close to it. So this stuff, guys, you can put this on any type of fruit, sandia, mangoes, what have you, man. Like, it's really, really good. Also, you can put it on beer if you want to. I don't, but some people like it. Some people are weird and like it on beer. But anyway, you can use this on all sorts of stuff. It's really good. It's a lot thicker than the stuff you normally put like on a bottle and stuff. But like I said, this, you can eat it by itself. You can put it with apples, like apple slices as a dip and stuff. It's really, really good, guys. So thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. And remember, only the strong subscribe. Alright guys, check this out. We got some apples, some oranges, some jicama. This is just some of the stuff you can do with it. I'm just gonna take a bite out of this. Here we go. Really delicious, guys. Try it out.